That's the first part of Alien Coast by St. Paul and the Broken Bones. And what I was playing here at the 10th fret is actually part of a D minor. You have a D right here. If you bar the top three strings, that's D minor. But really, I'm playing more of the top two. And just hammering onto the 12 and then pulling off. That whole first section is just D minor. And then it goes to C. Alien, 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 alien coast. I'm just playing power chords here because it's chromatic and works better with power chords. And it goes back to B flat to C.